In this video, I'm about to show you how to use bonus on 888 stars. Subscribe to YouTube channel if you find the video helpful. Before we continue, I want you to create a professional 888 stars account. To do that, click on registration, take the third option that says by email, fill in all your details correctly and create a password. In the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code RenzoTV. If you use the promo code, you're going to receive a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300. Once you're done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now let's continue. So if you have your bonus on your 88 stars that you claim from a first time bonus or wherever, I want to use your 88 stars, here's what to do. Now come over to your 88 stars account and come over to history. In history, you're going to see an option that says all accounts. I think you can also see it here, all accounts. So there is an option that says all account and there's an option that says bonus account. The bonus account is the money you receive from your first time deposit. So if you use the code I gave and you get a first time deposit, you're going to see an additional account here that says bonus account. So just go ahead and choose the bonus account and then go ahead and place your bet. So from now, since I've chosen the bonus account, any bet I place is going to be considered from the bonus account. And that's how to use bonus on 888 stars.